Can I just get a messy textured middle part?
For the top, we'll do a messy textured middle part. I'm going to take about 1/2 inch, have the bangs rest right below your eyebrow. We'll have the rest of the top flow into the side. And then a mid taper.